All right, so I just received these, and they're made by this company here. And we got a little bend in it, but I think they'll still work. So anyway, that's the number, MERV 13. So the filter goes in here. See, it's 20 by 20. And you can see the way that it goes. So you've got to put it this way, and you're going to have the airflow going that direction. So ours comes from here. There's our cold air return. Comes through here and shoots it out there and blows it back to the house. So the air is getting sucked this way up. So that's why you want to have it pointing that direction. 20, 21. All right, and so we're going to try these and put one in there and see what we think of them. I think they're going to work fantastic, to tell you the truth. We just got to get them out of their plastic sleeve. And check it out, we can claim our free N95 10-pack respirators. So we're definitely going to do that. So this is the company right here. That's the name of them. We got to change it every 3 months. It gives you the instructions right there, bam, and it's pretty good. I mean, it tells you which way to go. Arrows show the direction of the airflow. So that's the way you want the air going when it comes through the filter. All right, let's do this. So if you look on here, it shows you where the airflow is supposed to go. So when you put it in, it's going to be going this way. And it says 2021. So that's the way it goes in. And we just got to pull it out of there and put this one in. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Right here, you can subscribe. You just scan this with your phone and your phone camera, and then you can go ahead and get a subscription, and you'll save money on it. So that's kind of a smart thing to do, I think. All right, so let's just go ahead and do our duty here. We're going to open up our slat. We're going to grab this one here, pull her out. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty, right? Let's set that one there. Let's go ahead and grab our new filter right here. So we want to make sure that we get the airflow right. So we want the airflow going up. And we're just going to go ahead and slide it in there. Just like that. Yeah, done. And that's it. That's how you do it. Now we just got to let it do its thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.